Okay, so I'm going to show you how to log in and place an order. So you're going to type in your username and password. Make sure you're here at this link, courtlaramie.lavelle.com/login. Then click login. I'm logging into my stepdad's account, by the way. And then you'll have this pop up. You can just exit out of that. And if you have received any Lavelle credits, you will know if you have received them. You want to double check that they are here in this spot right here. So just double check that that amount is correct. And if it is, then you're ready to place an order. You're going to click Thrive Experience Pack. And you're going to scroll down to the Thrive Experience 4-week pack. That's $150. You're going to want to one-up auto ship, and it's going to one up for today's order. You want to do auto ship for a couple of reasons. First, it's cheaper when you put it on auto ship. Second, if you are ordering under a customer of mine, then you're helping them to thrive for free. And thirdly, auto ship is super easy to cancel. So if there's any issues, then you may cancel it. And I will keep in constant contact with you to make sure that an auto ship doesn't go out without you remembering. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to continue order. You're going to pick here capsules. This is step number 1. If you're a man, you're going to click men's. If you're a women's, you're going to click women's. I do know some women who do the men's one. Men's has more natural caffeine in it than the women's, but that's something that you should talk to me about first before deciding to do that. And then once you've picked your capsules, you can click next. And now you're going to click your shakes. I love the strawberry, and I know a lot of people who love the chocolate. I did not like the apple pie, and the vanilla was just okay. So go ahead and pick your shake flavor. And then you can choose to do the single packets or the canister. I personally like the canister. It's a lot easier. And then you're going to click next. And now you get to pick your DFTs. This is the sticker, that's what people call it. So you can, the first 4 come with your $150 pack. And then we have some extra ones that work on more, have more energy, or more natural caffeine in them to give you more energy. But we probably have already talked about that. So the green ones look something like this. These are the purple. Here's the chick one. It's rose gold, my fave. And then the I am one has motivational quotes on it. So you're going to pick that one, and you're going to click submit. And then you're going to see where it says today's order. You should have 4 weeks experience pack, and then it'll also show you what you have set up for auto ship. It should be the same exact thing. Then you're going to continue your order, and you're going to put in your information. I just picked a random address just to show this. And then you're going to go to continue checkout. And I want to say in this area right here, or maybe up here, it'll say disabled credits if you got credits. It will say disabled credits. Like for this account, there's no credits on here, so the button's not here. But it will say disabled credits. You want to enable them by clicking on it. And then to know that it worked, you will see that credit amount taken off right here. Okay? And then you'll put in your credit card information and all of that stuff, and you will submit your order, and you'll be good to go.